Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about the new e.l.f. Cosmetics and Nabela collection. I absolutely love this collection. It is so beautiful. I got to go to New York City and see firsthand before they launched, or actually it was the day they launched online, and I got to see everything and touch and, you know, experienced everything firsthand. So I'm very, very grateful for that. And I got the packaging yesterday in the mail. Let me tell you, it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna have some demos for you guys, and I'm gonna get through everything pretty quickly because spoiler alert, I love everything. But it's a very beautiful collection, very well thought out. And but I want to give you a little bit more of details and whatnot. So let's stop rambling and let's get to it. If you don't know who Nabela is, I'm gonna link her socials down below. But she's very, very successful, and she's very, very inspiring and very gorgeous. She had a very iconic. She did this very iconic video on Instagram that she wrote words, you know, like she wrote fat and, you know, ugly and things like that with her makeup, and then she blended them out, and it was very emotional, and it got like millions of views. I will link that as well down below. But she's very positive. She's very body positive. And I just absolutely love what she, you know, how much this means, because I 100% believe in inclusion in everything, you know, in all kinds of aspects. So I'm really, really just happy to see a big brand collaborating with someone that, you know, maybe you wouldn't see so often, which is sad, but I'm glad that e.l.f. did this, and I'm glad it was her because she is so gorgeous and so inspiring. So I went to New York City. I was invited to this event, and it was like an experience kind of. It wasn't just like your regular, you know, brand event, so to speak. So I got to see her collection. I got to touch everything and swatch things and play with everything before I even got to my house. I just got this package yesterday, but that was a few days ago when I went to New York, and I got to see everything before. Everything was so well thought out, and it's very her, and that's why I love it so much. I'm gonna read what it says here on the packaging because I believe she explains it so well. Growing up, I was insecure about all the things that made me different. As a plus-size Muslim Bangladeshi American woman, this collection means the world to me. It represents who I am and my growth in my self-love journey. This collection is a celebration of all of my identities and a reminder that you don't have to blend in because you were born to stand out. So someone from e.l.f. told me that she actually hand drew all of details on the packaging, and I love that even more because it's just so special. It made it so special. She really took this opportunity and made it so her, and that's what it should be. You know, the presentation on this PR package is absolutely beautiful. Obviously the products are not here because they would fall out, but I love this. I'm hoping I can take this fabric out and use it as a background or something because it's so beautiful. I just want to display it. It's so beautiful. We have the pouch. It's so cute, and you can see the design on the flap right here, and then inside it's hot pink, which I love this color combo. We have the brush set, and this is a 5-piece brush set, and it retails for $20. Now these brushes are not new. They are already existing, you know, e.l.f. brushes, and they just kind of jazzed them up and zhuzhed them up and made, you know, customize them for this collection, and they never stated that. They never said that they made new brushes, which I absolutely appreciate. She just kind of picked her favorite e.l.f. brushes and included that in the collection. So you get a powder brush, a blending kabuki brush, a highlighter brush, a crease brush, and a flat detail brush. I have to say I have these brushes in like regular e.l.f. form. This crease brush here I use very, very often. It's so good and so tiny if you have hooded eyes. It's very, very handy. And the highlighter brush, I love using this for highlighter, but also to set my under eye. So I have been using these brushes for years. So I recommend them. Next we have the Gleamy Loose Highlighter, and this retails for $8. This right here is no joke. I was shook. I obviously had a little bit of a base before because I was trying out like a few products, But once I put this on, I was shook. And let me tell you, I'm looking here in the mirror and it looks so beautiful. It's not just like sitting cakey on top of my skin. It is beautiful on the skin. Looking at the highlighter itself, I kind of had the impression that it would be a little bit dark for me, but it is not. It's absolutely beautiful and perfect. And you can use this as a highlighter. You can mix this in with a body lotion and like put it all over your body. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You can do a lot with this product. So very, very versatile, and for $8, you can't beat that. Lastly, we have the lip cocktail kit, and this retails for $10. So you get a lip pencil and a matte liquid lipstick. So obviously this is what I'm wearing right now, and I love it. The lip liner glides on very nicely, and it's a little bit darker than the lipstick, but the lipstick is a little, it's not drying. I have to wear a little bit longer, but I like it because I don't see it crumbling in the inside of my mouth, which is a plus. But I love this combo. It's perfect if you like this kind of nude, because it literally makes your lips look a little bit bigger if you want. You can wear the lip liner all over your lip because it is a little bit darker. You can just fill it in all over and then just apply a little bit of a gloss on top. I really, really like it. I normally don't go for like the browns. I go a little bit more towards like a mauve-y kind of nude. But this, I love it. 100% approved. So you can buy the brush set for $20 individually, or you can buy the lip set for $10 individually, or the highlighter is sold for $8 individually, or you can buy the whole entire collection, and that includes the golden clutch, and that is $35. So it's a pretty good deal all around. So that's it. There's not much else to say. I absolutely love this collection. Thank you so much, e.l.f. Cosmetics, for sending this to me. This video, it's not sponsored. I just really, really wanted to support not only e.l.f. but another influencer. I think Nabela is absolutely beautiful, and I absolutely love what this, you know, collaboration represents more than anything. The products are great, but I love what this represents. I love that they picked her for this, and she did such a beautiful job. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.